Doctors are always caught up in a conundrum because these are essential services, Dr. Anita. But this is rubbish, don't you think? And I'm using that word with very careful consideration. When they wanted the strike to end, everyone came said, "Oh, don't worry, we will give tags to patients, partners who are entering. We will do this, we will do that." But it seems like nothing has moved, Professor Anita Ramesh.
Yeah, this is the story all over India. Very good evening to this TV show. And I think we keep discussing over and over again, but nothing happens, nothing moves. You take the Kolkata case or you take any other case, the Mumbai doctors case, and the horrible murders and rapes and the lack of security all over India remains same. So we discuss, we make a strike, the government gives promises, tells us to break the strike, resume the work, we go ahead and do that, but nothing happens, nothing. Life continues, they continue in their chair, and we continue working because we cannot stop. But this should not happen. Some reform has to take place, some security has to be given in the workplace where we are working at this point of time, and that has to be implemented without say the ministerial level. They give rounds, they go, and then they don't do anything. So that is very, very bad what is happening. Crime continues, violence continues. Next month you'll see another violence on TV. We all sit down, we discuss, but nothing happens
I know, but at least we
basically.
are discussing it. We are not, you and I are not keeping quiet about it, Dr. Professor Ramesh, because this has to be again and again spoken about. Only then maybe the government or the authorities will move a little. I want to ask you, I know all the demands are very important, but one of the major demands when the attack on Dr. Balaji happened, the oncologist, that was, what are you going to do about the criminal who entered a hospital with a knife and stabbed the doctor multiple times?
Yes, that has not been, I think, addressed. He has been arrested by the mob at that point of time, and we saw his activities just going scot-free. Okay, no update on him have come so far. What is the punishment has been given, because this is the culpable murder, the attempt to murder, right? It is. So we are not aware of it. Neither it has come in the public domain, and all I think is under the table now moved into it. So actually, we don't punish even for the Archicor case. We don't know the culprit till date, and we have not got any that needs capital punishment. But this is also a culpable homicide. Murder punishment should be given. That never comes up to the front. Many of the papers and all will be hidden, and we will not get justice again in
All
this
right.
case.
I also
And I
want
think
to, yeah,
Dr.
sorry.
Balaji
Yeah, go on.
also is also trying to take legal help, as much as I heard, and the commission has been made. A couple of our colleagues has been appointed to help him in the medical legal aspect, because he also wants to fight it out. And because the patient now had a PET CT done and she's free of cancer. Okay, the cancer has been cured for her. Okay, so she is free of cancer. That's it. She's in
Yeah.
remission now, and the doctor also is seeking for legal advocates help how to proceed with the case.
All
So
right.
really, we need medical support, legal
Yeah,
support,
okay.
media, government, and
Yeah,
you're doing a
but
good
then
job.
apart from all this, Professor Ramesh, bureaucrats, and in this case, someone who's a medical doctor. I mean, if I'm not wrong, Dr. Tamburaj is a doctor, right? And he then maybe, sat for civil services. Making comments like that, because that's one of the reasons that the doctors are saying we need dignity, we need respect, we don't want this kind of, unnecessary comments being made on us. You know, uh, if doctors who are working in government hospitals have a great challenge. I'm not saying private hospitals don't, but government has, because they have to bow down to bureaucrats all the time. Where do I think doctors, the bureaucrats, they do a fantastic job, but if they interfere like this, they are interfering in what is your basic right as a doctor, which is to perform your duty.
Yes, sometimes people do lose their balance, okay, and then they step into an MBA and an administrative post and leaving just having a medical degree. So they forget about the fraternity and what you are expected to do, get they influenced by many other things, and then they behave. So this is, I think, highly not acceptable. Okay, so you have to be with the medical profession. You can be in a higher post, but you should not let the medical profession let them down or give any comments which is not being acceptable just to rub shoulders with the political party. You have to avoid doing all these things, and it's very, very bad if somebody does it.